Alright, Shavonna's going to sing You Are Worthy. And there's the Bluebird microphone. Here's the Voice Live 2. And it's going to sound like she is singing with guys. Alright.
Worthy of worship, worthy of praise, worthy of honor and glory, worthy of all the glad songs we can sing, worthy of all of the offerings we bring. You are worthy, Father, Creator. You are worthy, Savior, Sustainer.